Hello, my name is Jason Mercer. I'm the Toronto Real Estate Board's Senior Manager of Market Analysis. I'd like to take a few minutes to go through what we saw in the commercial real estate market in the third quarter of 2013 based on statistics reported through the Toronto MLS system. So I'd like to start with the leasing market, and in the third quarter of 2013 we saw total lease space up by 23% year over year to 5.8 million square feet approximately. And if we look at the breakdown of these transactions, we saw that 80% of leasing activity was accounted for by the industrial segment of the market, and industrial transactions were up on a year-over-year basis by approximately 30%. Now, average lease rates in the third quarter were either unchanged or up on a year-over-year basis. If we look at the industrial segment, the average lease rate was unchanged at $5.03 per square foot net, whereas commercial retail and office segments of the market saw year-over-year increases. Now, a key reason for the increase in leasing activity in the third quarter could be that GTA businesses are expecting stronger growth as we look forward. In fact, in response to this increased economic activity, businesses may be taking on more space in order to account for increased demand for their goods and services in the future. Now, turning to sales, we saw combined industrial, commercial retail, and office transactions more or less unchanged in comparison to what we saw in 2012. We saw 280 total transactions in the third quarter of 2013 versus 283 transactions in the third quarter of 2012. And now if we turn to pricing, we saw the average price per square foot up for all major categories, so industrial, commercial, retail, and office. And there's probably a couple reasons for this. Number one, increased activity likely led to tighter market conditions and upward pressure on pricing. And we also probably saw some changes in the type and geography of properties sold in some market segments over the last year. So overall, there are a lot of positives reported for the commercial real estate market in the third quarter of 2013, both pointing towards the prospect of continued growth in the commercial real estate market and in the economy more broadly. And so I look forward to revisiting the commercial market with you at the end of the fourth quarter. Thank you very much.